tell us a little bit about volunteering with Big Brother Big Sister.
I've been with them for a couple of years now, and I absolutely love getting to work with them. I have a teenage mentee who is the light of my life, and working with an organization like theirs really allows me to see the individual impact that I can make in my community.
Excellent. And you're a Sparks leader, so
Yeah.
you like to hang out with the little ones and have some fun.
That's my age. I primarily in my day job work with small children as well, so getting to work with Sparks is awesome. It's a super fun age.
So how has this changed you? Like, I know that you've done quite a few trips. You're saying that you did through, was it high school?
Yeah, when I was quite young, even middle school, really.
So this is all developed into where you like to help people out and to volunteer and to look after? Because I know your full-time gig is the same thing. So.
Yeah, I've done it since I was little. I actually did a lot with anti-bullying when I was a teenager, which led me to the scholarship trips. And it just kind of continued to translate until I was 25 and still doing it. So I love getting to do it. Yeah.
Excellent. So what makes it so enjoyable for you?
I think the purpose that it really gives you and getting to see the impact in your community. I mean, it's really easy when you have large scale issues around the world to say, oh, that's a big problem, but it's hard to see how you can actually change that big problem. When you're working on a one-on-one level, you really can see, okay, this is where my impact is the greatest, and this is how I can make the changes where they're needed.
Excellent. Well, with Mazda, this is the Legends program. We do have a couple of things for you, and one is we have a couple of tickets to hopefully you'll be able to find it then. So a couple of tickets to the movie, and that's from Scotiabank and Cineplex.
That's amazing.
But the best thing about it is, looking after it, we know that you need, there's always a chance where you need some monetary help and things like that. So Mazda is going to give you a check for $5,000 for you to help out in whatever way you'd like to, whatever way you see fit in spending that money. So that's
really
if it means you want to help out with the Sparks, if you want to help out with Big Brothers Big Sisters, if you need winter tires on your car to get you there, like whatever.
Tires are expensive.
Exactly. So that's for you, and thank you very much for your community work and for being a legend.
Well, thank you very much to Mazda. This is really, really needed post-COVID times. There's a lot of good that can be done with this. So
Okay, good. I'm glad. Really glad. So, like I said, I'm glad that we'll find you through the end, and hopefully you can do a lot of good jobs. Okay.